Hola amigos, I am here to do a video. Actually, this is just a really quick intro for my shoe collection. This is not the complete shoe collection. These are the shoes that I have that were in storage in Washington. I still have shoes here in California that I have that are in storage, and then I also have shoes that I have not included, especially boots that I've kept in Washington, so a lot. Ultimately, I do not know how many pairs of shoes that I have, but last time I counted I had about 500.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yes, it's a bit excessive, but none of my shoes, unless stated otherwise, are more than $10. I've gotten shoes that are as low as $2.99. Again, this is only a fraction of my collection, and it's just gonna be really quick. I'm not gonna be talking. It's just going to be music and a montage of all of my heels. I think one pair of boot is in there somehow. I don't know, whatever. I know that you guys have been wanting to see a collection, but it's just so hard when I have things in Washington and California to get everything together into one video. So I'm just gonna do it. This is gonna be my shoe collection in Washington that's in storage. Not sure what I'm gonna name it yet, but yeah. Alrighty, well, let's get right into the video.
Thousand years later.
guys, well I hope you guys liked that video. I will be doing another collection, probably doing the California one or my boots one, another installment of my shoe collection. So just stay tuned for that. All right, well I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys did, go and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos by me, click that red subscribe button. It would totally make my day, and I will see you guys later. Bye.